Umongameli ebesepalamente ezokuphendul'imibuzo kodwa uxinwe ngemibuzo yeengxelo zokuba unqunyanyisiwe kwi-ANC ngunobhala jikelele we-ANC uAce Magashule.
Mr. President, I know that this matter was raised with you earlier, and I'm told that the Deputy Speaker didn't allow it. It is in your own wisdom if you want to. Because standing there here, I'm confused if you are legitimate in Parliament, since your membership of the party which lends you a seat in Parliament has been suspended. And anything else that you do now, even when you know you are no longer a member of your party, will amount to fraudulent activities.
Mr. Suspended President, I know our country has a bad character of waiting for things to get out of hand before acting. It was the case with COVID, it was the case with listeriosis. Now, I want to find out, Mr. President, that ISIS threatened South Africa.
No, point of order, Deputy Speaker. Point of order, Deputy Speaker.
For any member of Parliament to cease being a member of Parliament representing their party, that party must formally write to the office of the Speaker withdrawing that member. There is no letter from the ANC suspending the membership of the ANC, of the President of the ANC.
Kusenjalo umongameli uphinde waxinwa ngemibuzo yenkqubo yokuzisa ichiza le-COVID-19.
In Q4, we're scheduled to receive 19.1 million J&J doses, that is Johnson & Johnson, and 7 million Pfizer doses. In total, we are therefore scheduled to receive 31.2 million Johnson & Johnson doses and 21.4 million Pfizer doses, including the COVAX allocation that we are entitled to.
Umongameli uthi urhulumente wakhe uzimisele ukulwa urhwaphilizo.
The days of state capture are over. And we now want people who are fit for purpose will be able to act in the interests of all South Africans.
Umongameli Ramaphosa uthi urhulumente ukwazimisele ukulwa ukuxhatshazwa kwamanina.
As at 25th of April this year, there were more than 83,000 gender-based violence-related cases in process, and more than 77,000 were older than 35 calendar days. This is clearly unacceptable.
Umongameli uthi kukho imithetho eyilwayo emithathu ephambi kwepalamente eza kuqinisa eli dabi. Phulelani Philip, SABC News epalamente.